This short video will illustrate the step-by-step process of how to use the focused discussion forum portion of the course. Let's begin. After watching a short video, you will be asked to provide complete and thoughtful responses to all questions. Your postings will be sent directly to the instructor. After you post for each forum, you will be shown the instructor's recommended responses, as well as your posting and postings from other students. If your posting is accepted, you will be given credit. If your posting is not acceptable, you will be instructed to repost an acceptable response. It is important that you respond to all of the questions. If you don't answer all the questions, your posting will be rejected by the instructor, and you won't be able to take the final exam until you supplement your responses. To supplement your response, first go to the table of contents. Then, locate the unit and section where your additional response is required. Next, find your original posting and click on the Respond button under your instructor's note.